Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Brandon's World. This is Dr. Earl, and today we're going to be discussing the verdict.
Members of the jury, I will now read the verdicts as they will appear in the permanent records of the 4th Judicial District. State of Minnesota, County of Hennepin, District Court, 4th Judicial District. State of Minnesota Plaintiff versus Derek Michael Chauvin, Defendant. Verdict, Count 1. Court file number 27, CR 20-12646. We, the jury, in the above entitled matter as to Count 1, unintentional second-degree murder while committing a felony, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April, 2021 at 1:44 p.m. Signed, juror foreperson, juror number 19. Same caption, verdict count 2. We, the jury, in the above entitled matter as to count 2, third-degree murder, perpetrating an eminently dangerous act, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April, 2021 at 1:45 p.m. Signed by jury foreperson, juror number 19.
That's right. First and foremost, man, I am excited about the verdict. Very surprised. I mean, you would think that it's kind of disheartening to have a video go viral and everyone watches this video over and over again and a man got killed, right? Cold blood, writing on the wall, and then months go by, they go to trial, and then finally the verdict comes in. Like, you kind of wait with bated breath because you're not sure if the video showing him dying was enough evidence for a jury in this country to convict the police officer for what he did. And, you know, the defense did the best that they could to try to discredit, you know, whether he was on drugs or bringing his past, all these other things that had nothing to do with the what really killed him is the man kneeling on his neck, former officer Derek Chauvin. So I'm very pleased with the verdict, but I want to know what you guys think. I guess I'm so shocked and excited, happy for the family. I mean, I don't think it's not real justice in my opinion, because you can't get back that life. Whether the lawsuit money, it's not going to be enough to bring him back. This verdict of him being convicted on all 3 charges is not going to bring him back at all. But it's one small step forward towards justice. Apparently in this country, it's one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all, and it just doesn't seem that way. And that's what was drained in our head as a kid growing up. We had to say it in school, the Pledge of Allegiance, and all these different things, but you know, it just doesn't feel that way. It doesn't feel that way. It doesn't look that way on television. We're very divided as a country, and so I'm glad that the president came out and spoke his truth, and so did the Vice President Kamala Harris, and they called the family to reach out to them. You know, like I say, this is one small step forward, but there's so much that we need to do as an entire country to move forward and start healing. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And that's about it.